What's up guys? POCO has just launched their first ever Android tablet, and spoiler alert, it's pretty damn good. So this is the POCO Pad. It's a mid-range Snapdragon powered Android tablet priced just under 300 using a special early bird coupon code, and I will leave all relevant links in the description box below. So very excited to show you guys what this tablet can do. But first of all, inside the box you will find a user manual and a small SIM eject tool. We've got a USB-A to Type-C charging cable, and this comes with a 33-watt fast charger included in the box. Now design-wise, this tablet feels super slim and light at only 7.5mm thin, and it weighs in at only 571 grams. The tablet is made from a complete metal body, and no doubt the build quality feels super premium. At the bottom of the device you will find a Type-C port and a headphone jack, and you've got dual speaker grills on either side. On the side of the tablet you've got volume rocker, microphone hole, a microSD card tray, and another microphone. And this does accept up to 1.5 terabyte microSD cards, and no, this tablet does not support SIM cards. Now on the top we've got power button, and you've got two more speaker grills. So this tablet has 4 side firing speakers. You've got 2 on each side, and yes, it does support Dolby ATMOS sound. Speaker quality is super loud and clear, and the tablet produces very nice quality sound. And here is a quick sound test. Now the bezels on this tablet is more or less the same size as you would get on an iPad Pro, so pretty slim bezels. The screen is absolutely gorgeous. You're looking at a large 12.1 inch IPS display. That's 120Hz dynamic refresh, so it can automatically switch the refresh rate based on what you're doing, but you also have the option to go 60Hz, 90Hz or 120Hz all the time. Screen resolution is 2.5K, that's 2560 by 1600 with 600 nits of peak brightness. So that is a 12-bit panel supporting Dolby Vision with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and you have Gorilla Glass protection on top. Viewing angles are also not bad, and the screen is pretty nice for media consumption. Now cameras, on the back we've got an 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, and on the front in the middle there you've got another 8 megapixel selfie camera. And here are a few samples. And here is some indoor video recording, so low light video. We are filming at the maximum resolution, which is 1080p at 30 frames per second. And this is what you can expect in terms of video quality. Now this tablet has a pretty generous 10,000 mAh battery supporting 33-watt fast charging, and there is no hanky-panky from POCO. The fast charger is included in the box, and it's actually quite surprising design-wise how slim the tablet is with such a large battery capacity inside. Now let's talk performance. This tablet is powered by the Snapdragon7s Gen 2, which is a 4nm octa-core clocked at 2.4 GHz. And for graphics, we have the integrated Adreno 710. Now, this tablet has 8 gigs of RAM with the ability to expand the RAM using up to 8 gigs of virtual RAM to make it 16 gigs of RAM altogether. And storage-wise, this has 256 gigs of UFS 2.2 storage, and this does also have microSD expansion up to 1.5 terabytes. The tablet also features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it's running Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS on top. Now, it's really nice to see minimal bloatware, actually no bloatware apps at all. Most of these apps I downloaded myself. You've got Mi Kansas and Mi Mover and Mi Video. Apart from that, that is pretty much all the standard apps that you get with Android. Basically no bloatware, clean Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS. Very, very nice indeed. Furthermore, you also get access to all your usual Google apps as standard, and of course, most importantly, the full version of the Google Play Store. So you can go ahead and download all your favorite games and apps. And to test the performance, let's check out Call of Duty Mobile graphic settings. So you can see maximum graphics supported is high and maximum frame rate is max. Let's check out some gameplay. Now, for you advanced users, DRM info shows Google Widevine level 1. And if we check out Netflix, you can see Dolby Vision is supported. And if we further look into the Netflix playback settings, you can see Widevine level 1 detected correctly, and this tablet supports Full HD resolution and Dolby Vision on Netflix. Now here is a quick look at CPU-Z, where you can check out the clock speeds, and you can see this is running the Adreno 710. Internal disk speeds, we achieved read speeds of 858 and write speeds of 383 megabytes per second. And just to remind you, that is UFS 2.2 storage. So that brings us to our benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench single core score of 1035 and multi-core score of 3029. And in the Antutu benchmark test, we achieved 535K. So there you have it, guys. That was the new POCO Pad. And here are my thoughts. Starting with the drawbacks. So this tablet does not support display out via Type-C. Cameras are quite basic, photos are decent, but for video calls, Skype, WhatsApp, etc., it's more than adequate. It's very nice to have MicroSD expansion. Battery life is very impressive. I was able to stream on Netflix and YouTube for just over 13 hours. Screen is very decent with triple TUV Rhineline certifications along with Dolby Vision, and the speakers are quite immersive with Dolby ATMOS sound. You have a beautiful metal build quality, super premium in the hands, and I think Team POCO have done a very good job with their first ever Android tablet, offering a great balance between mid-range performance with premium build, great sound quality with a very good display, and a generous battery life. So no doubt another super bang for your buck product by POCO. And just before I sign off with this one, I just want to quickly show you some optional accessories that you can pick up with this. So we've got a smart pen, we've got the POCO pad cover, and there is also a POCO pad keyboard case. So the keyboard case, first of all, if we open it up, you can see we've got a rather nice chiclet keyboard with plenty of travel. You have a main power button on the side for the keyboard, and it has a Type-C port to actually charge the internal battery of the keyboard. Just show you what this looks like. The bottom part is magnetic, so it just sticks on, allowing you to prop the tablet up on a desk. And when you're done, you can close it, and that will basically protect your screen. You don't need to remove the keyboard off. Okay, next one, POCO pad cover. Stick the tablet in, and then you got a rather nice magic style case. So you can just fold the lid inwards, and that will give you a stand. Very nice case. I do like the simplicity of it. Very useful. And last but not least, we have the POCO Smart Pen. So it's a Bluetooth smart pen. You've got a Type-C port on top, and you've got two buttons towards the front. It's a very nice responsive pen. Works really well. Just connect it to the tablet via Bluetooth, and away you go. And there is a brand new app called Mi Canvas, which will let you produce a lot of interesting notes, diagrams, graphics, etc. So that's all for this video. I will leave all relevant links in the description box for you guys to check out for yourselves. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.